Enjoy the view of this 2016 Land Rover Range Rover. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Indulge in the best life has to offer when you take the wheel of this richly appointed, highly capable Range Rover. Plush, hushed, and powerful, this breathtakingly modern, supremely luxurious off-roader transports you in every sense of the word. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, head-up display, panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, power passenger seat, heated rear seat, wood grain interior trim. Feel the thrill of superior luxury and capability in this masterfully created Range Rover. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.